Hi children, come we will see the next topic. Take your textbook, take page number 57. The 7th chapter, getting know to plants. Look here children, see here, we know what? The water vapor is what? The leaves leaves out water in the form of water vapor due by the process called transpiration that we saw in our last video. And see here, and the leaves also store food in the form of starch in it. How it prepares food? Leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green colored substance present in the leaves, that is called what? Chlorophyll. What it is called? Chlorophyll. So leaves prepare its food on its own with the help of sunlight and the green pigment that is called chlorophyll. They take the water through the root and from the soil and carbon dioxide in the air. The process which is called photosynthesis, it prepares its food. And it leaves out it leaves out oxygen and water vapor. So what? The food prepared by leaves ultimately gets stored in different parts of plant. So the food prepared by the leaves ultimately gets stored in the different parts of plant. So we have seen that the stem supplies leaf with water. The leaf uses the water to make food. The leaves also lose water through what? Transpiration. So how do the stem and leaves get water, children? That is where the roots come in. Look here now, the roots are there. So we know what? The stems takes in water and it translates to leaves and the leaves prepare food there. See, come we will see about the next part, root. Look at the figure 7. See here, look at the figure here. Look here. See here, see the figure here. What do you think is watering the plant correctly? Why we should water the plants? What is the need of watering plants? Which of the plant is in the soil? See, let us learn about this part. Come. See, by doing an activity, we would require two parts. Some soil, could feed blade or a pair of scissors and water. This activity come. Select two plants of the same kind from an open ground and dig them out with roots. Take care that their roots do not break. Take two plants with root. Take care the roots do not break. Plant one of them in pot A. Look here, this is the pot A. Plant the one plant in pot A and cut off the root of other plant and plant it in pot B. Plant the root what? Plant one plant with root in pot A and plant another plant with cut off the root and plant it in pot B. Come, we will see what will happen. See, water them regularly. Observe the plants after a week. Or both plants are healthy, both the plants are watered regularly, but one is without roots, isn't it? Yes. So what will happen? Or only one plant will grow and the other plant will get dry. Why? Because there is no roots in that plant. What will happen? So that it won't absorb the water. So without water, the leaves of the stem won't prepare food. So the entire plant will get what? Die. Understood, children? So what are the functions of roots? Come, we will see. We would require seeds of gram and maize or cotton wool katori and we will take that. See here. See, take two katoris or bowl. It's a bowl. Katoris means bowl. Place some wet cotton in them. Put 3 or 4 seeds of gram in one and maize in the other. Keep the cotton wet by sprinkling water every day until the sprouts have grown into what? Young plants. After a week, try to separate the young plants from the cotton. See here, take 2 bowls and put cotton in it. And sprinkle water. Spread water. 3 or 4 seeds of gram in one and maize in other. Keep the cotton wet by sprinkling water. What will happen? until the sprouts have grown into young plants. Okay. See, try to separate the young plants from the cotton. Was it easy to separate the cotton from the roots? Why? See, we could not pull out the plants from the soil. In this way, the what? We cannot take the what? Plant from the, yes, cotton. What? Cotton. Why? Because the roots hold the plant firmly in the cotton. Like that also the roots what? Hold the plant firmly in the soil. Okay. So, what are the functions of roots? It takes the waters and minerals from the soil to all other parts of the plant, as well as it holds the plant firmly. That is the point here. Okay. What is the point here? What are the functions of root? It holds the plant firmly in the soil, as well as it carries what? Water and minerals from the soil to all other parts of the plant. Okay. Come, we will see what are the types of plants, roots. Okay. What are the types of roots? Okay. See here, come, study figure 7. This figure and this figure. Study figure 7.16a and b carefully. Now, look at the roots of the gram plants. We have pulled out from the cotton in the previous activity. Do they look like the roots shown in figure 7.16a or those in figure like this? See, look here. See. How about the roots of the maize plant? Write gram or maize plant in the blank spaces in the figure after matching the roots with the figures. Come, we will see that by doing that. Okay. See, there are two types of roots. What are all the types of roots? For roots of the kind, the main root is, look here, tap root as well as fibrous root. Okay. Tap root as well as fibrous root. Okay. See here. The main root is called the tap root and the smaller roots are called the lateral roots. In tap root, what? The main root is called the tap root and the smaller roots, those are all going this side, no? Those are all called what? Lateral roots. Okay. This is the tap root. What it is called? Tap root. It has one main root which is called tap root and small roots from the main root, those are all called lateral roots. Okay. And plants with roots as shown in this is, see, it is not having any main root. Okay. All roots seem similar and these are called fibrous root. What these are called? Fibrous roots. So, there are two types of roots, tap root as well as fibrous roots. Okay. In tap root there will be a main root which is called the tap root and small roots will come out from the what? Tap root, that is the lateral roots. Okay. In fibrous root, what? There won't be same type of roots, seem similar. Okay. And all roots seem similar. Okay. And these are called fibrous roots. Okay. So, now we saw about stem. Stem is what? It bears what? All the parts, all other parts like leaves, branches, fruits. Okay. It bears and it carries water and mineral from the root to the other parts of the plant. Okay. That we saw about the stem. And if you take leaves, it prepares the food. Okay. It is called the food factory. Okay. The leaves are called food factory, and due to the transpiration process it leaves water in the form of water vapor. And if you take roots, there are two types of roots, tap root and fibrous root, and the root hold the plant firmly in the soil and it carries water and mineral from the soil to the all other parts of the to the stem. Okay. It carries water and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay. These are all about the parts. Come, we will see the next part, that is nothing but the flower. Okay. That is nothing but the flower.